grade 6 SCS. How are you today? Okay, that's good. So, at the count of 10, dapat wala na kung dami makitaan ng mga pagkaon sa inyong mga desk, sa inyong mga kamot, or sa inyong mga baba. Dapat isunon nyo na. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This time, we will going to learn about mathematics. So, for that, what was our last topic yesterday? Ella? Okay, very good. How about you, Thor? Okay. Pagkatapos na naging sa inyo yan, no? This time, we will going to learn about a new topic. And sweet. But before that, we will going to have an activity first. So what we will going to do when we are having an activity? Clarissa. Okay, very good. Ano pa? Eugene. How about you, Clarissa? Rika? Okay, very good. So we will going to do to those rules that you have mentioned. We will follow. And so this time, we will going to read first the direction of your activity. All girls, please read. Okay, thank you, girls. So is there any question regarding the direction of the activity? Laro na? Okay, very good. So this time, para hindi na yan, ang inyong partner will be your seatmate. Okay, each partner will receive a box of candies. Okay, all you need to do is pick a candy from the box and sort or isipon nyo kung sila ang candy ang nakuha nyo sa box and compare it to your partner. So describe how many candies has your partner got and write it on your paper. Then you will explain it afterwards to the class. So is that clear? Kailangan kumangkot? Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes to do your work and 1 or 2 minutes to present it in the class. So cooperate with your partner and finish your activity in 5 minutes. Is that clear? Okay, very good. 3 minutes left. Dad, gagamit sa lahat. Or paghuli sa imo pair sa pag-answer. Hindi ka lang kasi mo. Okay, hands up ang nakatapos na. Okay, hands down, revise your voice sa nakatapos na. Mas, ano, plano ka mo sa inyong pair kung ano i-present yung sa kung hindi kayo sa alam mo dahil hinakot. This time we will proceed to presenting your word. So first, pair, Mark, and Sweet, please present your word. Okay, thank you, Mark and Sweet. Next pair. Okay, we now take your seat. Okay, next, Clarissa and Hannah. Okay, next, Ella and Georgine. And last, Thor and Rapunzel. Okay, very good everyone. Let us clap our hands to your actively participating in this activity. So now, what have you noticed with the activity that you have with the activity? Okay, what have you noticed with your activity? Larissa, stand up in your answer. Okay. How about you here? Stella. I mean there. Okay, Stella. Okay, very good. So how did you compare the numbers of candies? Larissa. Dali naman sa row 1, Georgie, how did you compare the candies from your partner and the candies that you have picked? Very good. So based on our activity, what do you think will be our topic for today? So we have an idea. When we are comparing those quantities, what is it called? Raise your hand if you want to answer and stand up. Ella. Okay, lapit sa iyong answer. How about you, Thor? Do you have an idea? Oh, let's okay for because we will learn it today. So this time, your answers are correct. But in the right term it is called a ratio. So what is a ratio? All girls, please read the definition. So sakto to ano yung definition. And the right word is called a ratio. So ano po ng ratio? Is the comparison of two or more quantities. For example, tingin mo kanina, in-sort mo ang candies, dinisip mo ang candies, sabi mo, or dinisip mo naman ang candies na na-pick mo, and you compare it. So that is called ratio. And when writing a ratio, in expressing a ratio, a column is used. So I know that you are all familiar with the column. Am I right? Okay, very good. So take note, always remember that in writing a ratio, we are going to base on how to write it based on the term that is mentioned first. For example, we have here an example. Please read all together. Okay, as you can see, nandito na nakabutang, the ratio of 2 boys to 5 girls is written as 2, and basahon ta ang column is 2. 5, not 5, is to 2. Why? Because 2 boys is mentioned first, and we are also going to write 2. Ano lang ba? 2. And again, ang column is used to express a ratio. So that means we are also going to write here column, and we are going to read it as is 2. 2 is 2, and anong next na yung number? Anong letter? 5 girls. And also, of course, we are going to write 5 girls. 5 only. 5, 2. 5 lang sa sahod. Very good. 2 is 2, 5. But remember, may are ways on how to write the ratio, and that is one of our lesson that we're going to learn today. And how do we write a ratio? Okay, let us consider. Let us consider A and B as a number. A and B belongs to number. So one way of writing a ratio is in word form. So in word form, we are going to write A, or the term that is mentioned first, and is to. In word form, we are always going to add is to after the first term that is mentioned, and next after some is to, we are going to write the next term that is being mentioned in the statement. A is to B. And next, in column 4, or this is ang ginagawa kanina, is to 5. Ang muna na yung automatically, A is to B. And the last one, kasi na lang ko kayo usapos ng sinisini. Last one, fraction, or na sundan lang si ma'am. Okay, very good. So, A, ang una nga na-mention is, for example, letter A, ang una na-mention, so that means ang numerator is letter A, and the next term will be the denominator, which is OB. Is that clear? Okay, very good. So, let's have that. Nag-iisip nyo yan, no? Okay, next. We have here an example. A cylindrical jar has 50 balls consisting of 9 red balls, 14 yellow balls, 5 blue balls, 12 green balls, and 10 violet balls. So, as you can see in the example, ang una-una lang ang pakita ang ratio is the ratio of yellow to blue balls. So, nakabilang that answer ta. Pangitaon ta kung pinakabilaon niya ng balls, which is 14, and the blue balls, which is 5. So, in word 4, we are going to write it as 14 is to 5. In column 4, we are just only going to add 14 and 5. Okay? 14 is to 5. So, ang sa mga ila, lumipad na maata, column, and sa fraction 4, ang unang na-mention is yellow balls, which is 14. So, that will be our numerator, and ang denominator is 5 blue balls. Pagkasigaw na lang kayo sa post na. Okay? Next. Pasunod na siya, the ratio of green to red balls. Ito yung example. Intindihan naman puro kung paano magsulat sa ratio na. Okay, very good. So this time, we are going to learn another term, which is a proportion. So ano naman ito ang proportion? Everyone, please read. So, ang proportion naman po, is simply the pair of equal ratios. The cross products of equal ratios are always equal. So, we have here an example there as A. If A is to B over B, or is equal to C over B, then A times B is equal to B times C. So, we have here an example para ma-intindihan nyo. All boys, basahan ta ang example. Isang Christian po na nagbakal sa 8 different flavors ang donut that costs 192 pesos. So how much will Christian pay for 12 different flavors if donuts are all the same price? So sulatan niyo para mas ma-visualize niyo, no? This is called a proportion ng pagwata sa 8 is to 192. May proportions sila mga no? Kaya ang 8 different flavors po, no? Tapos, isang 192. So that means 8 is to 192. Ang mga isulatan na. So, ang pagkakaon kaya kung pila ang price, magbakal si Christian sa 12 naman na donuts. So, 12 is to abot ang pag-X. Muli, si X ang atin nga ginapangita. Letter X na letter, ang ano ha? Okay. So, we are going to find the X simply in multiplying the numerator and the denominator. So, we are going to write it as 8 over 192 is equal to 12. Kasi X ari sa dalawang ang siya na kayata. So that means we are going to multiply the denominator You can use a calculator if you want. Okay, very good. It's 2,304. So, ano ito niya? Ano siya kung sa XTO? Okay, we are going to divide. Para makansel natin sa 8 we are going to divide 8 by itself and 8 din sa 8. Cancel na rin siya. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Hindi naman need na magkala. Okay? X na naman dibilin. Okay, may 1 na natin sa first thing na sa X. Pero wala na na-mention sa ay ginawrite kung maganda sa mathematical equation. X are na. All we need to do is divide 2,304 divided by 8 and makuha ta na ang answer pag makuha ta na ang ginapangita ta nga S na. Okay? Let us try to solve 2,304 divided by 8. Okay, very good. It is 280 8. So that means 8 is to column ano din siya kung isang pagsulat. Okay, very good. Column 4 is to 192 is equal to 12 is to ilan to? 288. So, ang mukha na ko na magwa sa proportion sa isa ka problem. So, na-understand lang kung anong proportion. It is a cross product of equal ratios. This is a pair of equal ratios, and in finding the proportion, we are just only going to multiply the denominator and the numerator. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Again, what is a ratio? Hands up if you want to answer. Ella? How about you? Georgine, how do we write? What are the ways on how to write a ratio? Okay, good. So how about a proportion? What is a proportion, Larissa? Very good. So how do you find the proportion of a problem with very good. So why is it important as a learner? As a learner, why is it important to learn and differentiate the ratio and proportion? Nakinanglan na mag-differentiate sa ratio and proportion. So, naman tabi sa likod mo. Stella! Okay, my point. How about you, Rika? Very good. So this time, to apply your knowledge about the ratio and proportion, I will group you into 2 groups because we will going to have another activity. So, para hapos, group 1, this will be group 1 and this will be group 2. So, everyone, please read the directions. and the problem regarding the ratio, and group 2, you will going to solve for the proportion of a problem. Is that understood? So I will only give you 3 minutes to finish your work and present your work in the class. Is that understood? Okay? When I say start, you can now start your activity. So 1, 2, 3, start. Left. Seconds. Okay, time's up. Kung ano pala ginobra mo, tapos na. Okay, you will present for you to number group 1. You will present first. Okay, thank you, group 1. Please proceed, group 2. Okay, let's clap our hands to all the groups for actively participating in the activity. Get your ball pens and paper and answer the following questions in front. So test 1. Group 1, please read the direction. So is the instruction clear? Okay, very good. How about test 2? Group 2, please read the direction. Okay, thank you, Group 2. Is there any question regarding that instruction? So if there is none, you can now start answering. I will only give you 2 minutes to finish answering. After that, you will go to check your work. One minute left. Seconds. And time's up. Check your own papers. Test 1. Write the ratio and word, fraction, and column form. Okay, so you can go here in front and answer. Pasunod na lang. Hannah, find the ratios. 1 to 4 si Hannah, find the ratios. 1 to 4. Tapos si Clariza, knives to saucers. And si Georgie naman, saucers to spoons. Understood. Pasunod na lang para na si Hannah, si Clariza, and si Georgie. This is the answer of Clarissa, Hannah, and Georgie, correct? Okay, very good. You may now take your seats. Okay, check your papers. Check your own papers there. And test to find the proportion. So, number 1, si Thor. And number 2, si Mark. Okay, kami come here and in front. This is the answer of 4 and Mark, correct? Okay, very good. Check your own papers. So who got perfect score? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, at the count of 10, please pass your papers. Here in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this time, please get your assignment notebook. Hold up your assignment for tomorrow. Okay, let me read to you the direction. Find the proportion and write it on the different writing form of ratio. Okay? Is it understood? Is the direction clear? Okay, very good. If there is none, you can start writing your assignment. I will only give you 1 minute to finish. Okay, hands up na nakatapos. Hands up. Okay, tapos na ang kanan. Okay, keep your notebooks in your bag.